Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, I have a beginner's guide to using a power miter saw. If you're working on a project where you have to make angled cuts and you need to get them to be precise on the money, or in the case of the tool I'm going to show you here, a compound miter, then this is the tool for you. This is Craftsman. There's a bunch of different manufacturers that make tools like this. This is a battery operated tool, so the battery clicks in right here. This is the safety fence right here. You're going to place the material across this platform right here. And as you pull the trigger and you come down, you see how that safety guard comes up and allows you to cut the wood. You have the ability to do straight cuts, and by lifting this up, this will click at different points, 15 degrees, 22.5, 30, all the way to 45 degrees, and it'll do the exact angles the other way as well. This is what they call a compound sliding miter saw. So not only does it cut and go down, but you can do wider material with its ability to slide like this, which is typical what a radial arm saw will cut, but it also gives you those angles. Now I mentioned compound miters, so if I came all the way back and I tighten this and I loosen this, I can pivot the tool like this. This is super helpful if you're cutting crown molding. Depending on the size of the crown molding, you'll bring this over to like 22.5, which is a setting for crown, and then you'll go ahead and cut it like this back and forth. These tools are great. You need to really have a healthy respect for it, because this blade, when you're using it, you're in front of the saw. I'm behind it right now. But you want to make sure that you really understand how it works. It's powerful, but this gets the job done. All right, don't go anywhere, because coming up is how to use a compound miter saw and 3 different ways to use it. I think you'll find it to be pretty useful.